So consider this as the first lecture of the subject analog communication. We're starting with unit number 2 actually, but with a slight introduction from the first few lines of your first chapter. So, इसकी heading आपने लिखी some basic terms. Any term, communication. Communication is the process of, I want you to write this for today, but from here onwards, I will ask you to find a definition or give me a definition. Communication is the process of establishing. Communication is the process of establishing connection. Of establishing a connection or linkage, I would say, between two or more points. Between two or more points. Communication is the process of establishing connection or linkage between two or more points. Yash, volume ज़्यादा हुआ क्या काम? Is it okay for you? So इसमें ऐसे stress कैसा? So, between two or more points, bracket में लिखिए source and destination. For comma करके communication is the process of establishing connection or linkage between two or more points, that is source and destination, for information exchange. For information exchange. Now, when I say information exchange, what is information? Next point. Next point. Information. Next definition is definition of information. Information is the collection of, by information we mean the collection of meaningful data. Information is the collection of meaningful data. Information is the collection of meaningful data in the form of, now this information can be in the form of signals, slash, it can be words or figures, or we can generally say data. ठीक है? Information is a collection of meaningful data in the form of signals, words or figures that will originate from the source, and will reach the destination in a communication system. That will originate from source and will reach the destination in a communication system. Next heading. Next heading is block diagram of a wired communication system. लेकिन उससे पहले आप एक लाइन में लिख सकते हैं, एक कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम जो हो सकता है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ, कोई बात नहीं, इसके बाद वाली लाइन में लिखिए, मतलब बेसिकली एक क्लासिफिकेशन, कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम जो होता है बेस्ड अपॉन द मीडियम दैट कनेक्ट्स द सोर्स एंड द डेस्टिनेशन. आई विल रिपीट, based upon the medium that connects the source and the destination. Communication can be classified into two types. By the way, I said based upon the medium. how source and destination is connected. Just write this one line based upon medium of connection of source and destination. Huh? Based upon the medium of connection between source and destination. Communication systems are classified into two types. One is wired communication and another is wireless. ठीक है? पश्चिम ये खुद में एक बड़े समंदर है. अगर आप इसमें फिर डीप जाएंगे, कैसे PhD करा कोई एक स्टार्टअप प्रोड्यूस वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन is one thing known as pressure. ठीक है? As rightly said by someone, the more you learn, the more you realize that I know less. Because as you go deeper and deeper and deeper, you realize how much I have left, which I don't know, and I just know only a part. So the more you learn, the more you realize that I know nothing, actually, to be precise. Because that dot is nothing of that whole knowledge that we can have. So based upon the media or the medium of connection between the source and the destination, communication can be classified into two types. One is wired and another is wireless communication. So next heading is block diagram of a wired communication. One more point here, that I do not expect any student to come to me, sir, important kya hai? I don't like that. I will tell you in class itself. I need vigilant students in class. I will tell you in class itself important kya hai. You just need to visit and keep on noting that side by side important kya hai. But no student whatsoever should come to me at the end of the session or at the time of exam say important kya hai. I will slap them straight away. If you are ready for the hard slap, do come. If not, be vigilant in the class itself. Teacher? Okay, so I will use this sign generally to denote something which is important. Teacher? By this, it does not mean that exam ke liye hi important hai, that's enough. By important, I mean it is the point of emphasis either for your competitive exams or for your examination. Both ways. Teacher? There will be no classification अलग से. ये इसके लिए important उतना time नहीं. But generally when I say something is important, it is conceptual wise important or exam wise. It can be any way. ठीक? So block diagram of a wired communication system would be something like this. You have one block which will be your information source. Your another block will be source, transducer. Your next block, I would say, let's see a block, or let's make it a block for time being. Wire channel. Now it is this channel. Direct class. What is now? So it is this channel where the noise will actually impact our signal or communication, I would say. Now this noise itself is a very broad topic because noise can be of many types. It can be extra-terrestrial noise, which we have no control at all. Space से noise आ रही है, उसका क्या करेगा? It can be noise because of the surroundings, where you live in or where you work, where your lab is. So there can be so many things while you're transmitting a signal from one place to another that can affect your signal as noise. So noise generally, what I say, is a disturbance to the aim or the target that you're trying to achieve, right? Any friend of you who is not allowing you to do what you want to do is a noise. So stay away from the noise. वायर चैनल के बाद जो ब्लॉक होगा उसके बाद be actually inside the transmitter. यहां से अब आपका होगा source. Time क्या? How long do we have the class? 11 10? Sorry, 10. So this is the source transducer, this is the destination transducer, or you can say by eyes on board please. Yes, one more point. When I say eyes on board, it means that whatever important you are doing, I need you to see towards the board. Okay? Whatever you are doing, stop and look towards the board, because on board there will be something more important which I want you to hear. Okay? So, yes. When I say RX means receiver. You generally have this. Suppose you have an antenna like this. So you name it as TX, ANT. Any guesses what does this mean? You. Any guesses what does this mean? TX, ANT. Louder please. No. Everyone in one voice, your guess. What is this? Louder please. Transmitter antenna is the right answer. Because I said TX means the transmitter, ANT means the antenna, और मैंने कहा ही है antenna. This is where the vigilance will come into the picture. You need to be vigilant for what I say. You didn't hear this. मैंने कहा कि ये antenna है. What's wrong? That's it. So that's where the gap comes. This makes you lose at least 10 to 15 marks in your exam. कैसे? क्योंकि आपका stress already बहुत ज़्यादा आया होता है exam preparation से पहले, और you tend to forget these things. Maybe जो आपको कहीं 2 marks दिला सकती है, कहीं 3 marks, तो वो add up करके 10 marks तक हो जाए. I want you to be vigilant. Vigilance is the key. ठीक है? Okay. Now. Going to this part again, this is the receiver transducer, and yes, it will be somewhere in the receiver itself. मतलब receiver transducer या receiver हम इसको generally इससे मुखातिब करते हैं या तो इससे मुखातिब करते हैं. It means the same thing. It means the same thing. And then the final point, which is your nothing, it's away from the frame. Yes, it is away from the frame. So let's change the frame slightly. So this is your destination. Now, yeah, you can write about this. Heading लिखिए, detailed description of above block diagram. Second class. The upper which is area. So, detailed description of above block diagram जो भी है, अब एग्जाम में नहीं लेना above block diagram, इसमें लिखना simply detailed description of the block diagram for wired communication. What is the first block? You know, write something about it, what the information source can be. The first point, देखो, notes बनाने हैं बड़े थे. फिर वो एग्जाम के साथ आसान कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की ना डेट शीट बोले हैं डिजिटल ड्रॉ 10th में एग्जाम. What is the first thing that comes to your mind? Notes का था. या तो हम सब ज़्यादा इस पर बात साशियन इसके बाद हमारे notes पर चल से. Well, how much worried you are? So to solve that problem for yourself, make them in class. Make your own notes. How does it better? You are here for 1 hour anyway. अगर साशियन की बात करें तो जो कोई नहीं. So why not make notes? Emsit क्या guys हुआ? इसलिए इम्सा कहाँ से बना? Emsit क्या guys हुआ? ये class में 60, 70 ऐसा ना दिमाग में हम दिमाग में 80%, 85. Emsit कैसे class में नहीं किया ना सही? Definitely ऐसा होता है. लेकिन कैसा? जिस class में top वाले से बनवाते हैं जम लेते हैं बाहर के लोग. बनवासी ये क्या कोई में सोचते हैं 60 years वाली क्या है? And there can be a possibility where you can overcome them also. If you can know and decide your person. It's a difference possible between them and this one. If you are consistent, you will be there. Because the only good thing they do is they relieve stress from your mind by making notes in class. Not only that, but they make it with different colored pens. Red, green, blue, right? And sometimes pencils as well. Well, the mission is something. Why can't we all do that? अगर कोई स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में पेन आने तो स्विमिंग में नहीं स्पॉन्सर भी पर आई शुड विल हेड ऑन एंड गेट इट गुड अच्छा द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बाय द वे गाइस ऑन बोर्ड अगर कोई बंदा आवाज से बात बिकॉज़ देखिए अल्टीमेटली जब आप यहां से निकलेंगे इस यूनिवर्सिटी से एज अ बीटेक ग्रेजुएट इंशाल्लाह इट इज नॉट जस्ट द सब्जेक्ट दैट विल मैटर फॉर यू आपको सब्जेक्ट कितना जबरदस्त आता है but it is what personality you have become throughout these 4 years that will determine your goals and targets and XYZ. What I mean to say is that आपने अपने मिजाज को अपने अप्रोच को टेम्परामेंट को कितना चेंज किया उस वक्त से जब आप यहाँ पे आपका पहला दिन था उस वक्त तक जिस दिन आपका लास्ट डे होगा यहाँ पे आपके टेम्परामेंट में अगर वो चेंज आए यू आर सक्सेसफुल फॉर श्योर अगर लगता है कि नहीं कुछ चेंज ही नहीं you have to think about it again because ultimately 4 years of your life means a lot ठीक है 4 years means a lot and in 4 years you should become a personality that defines and determines things not just any ordinary person there should be something in you inshallah as you move out from this institution that differentiates you from other candidates for a job or for anything in your life because which a job sorry there are so many matters that concern our daily life, that concern our families. Tadin desuti ak character asa. Tadin desuti ak active for us. Tadin desuti ak vigilant. Yes, but this is natural, believe me or not. When you have a habit of being vigilant, being cautious, what is being said? कल को अगर आपका कोई भी घर में कोई family member they say something to you, share something to you, you will be again that cautious air. क्योंकि आपको आदत बन चुकी है in your whole life to be very patient listener. So it's a quality. So I want all of you to acquire qualities like this, not just a subject. Subject is the medium of all this actually. This is what's my understanding. At the end of the day, you can score 80, 90, 70, all acceptable. Like if you don't have the right temperament and you're scoring 90, I'm sorry, you're not on the right line. You need to change your life. Because temperament, attitude, that's the actual key than anything else. You said? Okay, continue our topic. देखिए अब मैं आपको ये चीज बता रहा हूँ कि नोट्स कैसे बनाते हैं मैंने टॉपिक बताया टॉपिक की हेडिंग बताई डेफिनेशन बताई फिर एक प्रॉपर ब्लॉक डायग्राम है अगर यहाँ पे एक इक्वेशन भी होती ना या है मैंने नहीं बनाई आप घर जाके किसी नोट से कुछ देखिए वो इक्वेशन भी इसमें डाल दीजिए बिकॉज इट सेड दैट इक्वेशंस आर द ऑर्नामेंट्स ऑफ अ पेपर सो एड ऑन ऑर्नामेंट्स टू योर आंसर ठीक है बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग आंसर पता है लेकिन खड़ा खड़ा ऐसे ही आंसर लिख देते हैं ठीक है अरे क्यों if you have got the ability to frame a beautiful answer just do it what are you waiting for so then after this clean block diagram when blocks are clean ठीक है they need to be clean they need to be properly spaced if you can make them symmetrical make them symmetrical अच्छा first block number 1 is the information source. इसके बारे में लिखिए जरा एक दो लाइन इंफॉर्मेशन सोर्स it is the primary source of information it is the primary source or you can say slash करके origin of the information that is to be transmitted from the source It is the primary source of information slash करके क्या लिखा मैंने? हाँ? It is the primary source slash origin. It is the primary source slash origin of the information slash करके message. Information का दूसरा नाम क्या रखा हमने? Message signal. आप देखिए इसका नाम है दूसरा message signal. You are the last, right extreme corner. क्या नाम रखा मैंने दूसरा इसका? Exactly right, message signal. ठीक है? So information का दूसरा नाम message signal लिखिए आप. ये हमारे काम आएगा. So it is the primary source of information, or I would say the message signal that is to be transmitted. That is to be transmitted. चलो लिखिए आप. I want a proper notebook. Or else a notebook which has 2-3 sides as well. Check out from the last one. Check out. देखो ये दूसरा हमारा डिलेमा है. कोई आईयूएसडी का टाइम क्या है? 10 बज गए? Very quickly, this is again a dilemma. कोई IUSD का बच्चा जो 50 किलोमीटर के यहाँ तक आएगा बस में जैसे नहीं वैसे नहीं. It was Asha Sharma's kind of mother. No, they are not over hours. ये भी होगा, भी को मान फोन करो. तो बना. Sharma was also ऐसा हुआ रिप्ले में. वो बना पाता. Go after, go scientifically. So what you have to do is pair whatever it is in class. In class, we should time here, but क्या है about time is that? ठीक है? So this is the first and the last. I see you hearing, I hear you as saying that but the first choice, I salute that person, right? If you decide, नहीं मैं फिर भी करूँगा. Because आज this dedication, इसमें मैंने मान के बावजूद दिखाया, I appreciate that. I don't have problems with that. You can, but उस वाला generally कि मैं के साथ मदद नहीं हूँ. शाबाश जी मुझे बात सुधी, learn, कर लो. And I think it's true for most of the cases. Why? Because I have myself seen this phase. What does that mean? I'm a pass out of this university itself. I'm the first batch. I'm your super senior. I think super is whatever you call it. So I'm the first batch of this university, and we have seen this. I'm not so I know what it feels like being a university student inside out. So neither you can bluff me, neither you can say feel like anxiety or something like that, because I got you covered for so many things. Next block. अच्छा नहीं, वहाँ पे आप जरा 2 लाइनें छोड़िए. वहाँ पे 2 लाइनें छोड़िए आपकी नोटबुक्स की. 2 लाइन छोड़ के next block किए. Source transducer. Source transducer. 2 लाइनें छोड़िए. चलो. Source transducer converts physical signals. Source transducer converts physical signals into electrical signal equivalent. Into electrical signal equivalent. Source transducer converts. समझ आया ट्रांसड्यूसर क्या होता है? You are at the right extreme. आप बताइए क्या होता है ट्रांसड्यूसर? Right, but what is this? Goes. हाँ, क्या होता है? Source transducer. हाँ. Temusa. अबे यार. यार बोलो इसका ट्रेन चला. This is awesome. Excellent. This is the way to answer. Whenever you talk to someone or answer someone, make sure you use your best emotions to make the person understand. जो physical signals को electrical signal equivalents में convert करता. What do you mean by physical signals? Pressure or your voice. This over here is a transducer. What is it doing? समझ रहे हैं बात? ये transducer है कि नहीं? Do you agree with me? What is the physical signal here? Voice. Now this mic is basically a system. Because of this voice or the impact that it's had, it generates vibration. electrical signals which are sent to the amplifier over here. This is an amplifier. It amplifies my voice maybe 10 times, 20 times, whatever. But this is a transducer. Anyways, next point. वहाँ पे भी दो लाइनें छोड़िए. Next is channel. Time क्या है? Okay, we have 4 minutes to go, and last 5 minutes will be for interviews. So, channel is the medium, or we can say physical medium, through which our signal travels. Channel is the medium, or we can say physical medium, through which our signal travels from the source towards the destination. As simple as that. इन चीज़ों याद करने की जरूरत है. इनके लगभग क्लास में थी यार. ये नोट किया पर प्रॉब्लम है यार. इनके लगभग क्लास में थी. It is the medium through which the signal travels from the source towards the destination. For wired communication. For wired communication. This channel can be for wired communication. This channel can be a coaxial cable. Do you know what's a coaxial cable? Coaxial. क्या है coaxial cable? क्या है coaxial cable? One word substitution of coaxial cable is one word substitution of coaxial cable in Kashmiri. Coaxial cable. Next is parallel wire. Parallel wire. Next is parallel wire. Coaxial cable is that? Parallel wire. 3 inch OFC. OFC क्यों को? तो बता OFC क्या है? OFC को optical fiber cable. You know it, but maybe OFC is optical fiber cable. So in wired communication, you have 3 mediums. You can have many more depending on any physical medium. कोई wire जो connect हो रही है, मैं कह रहा हूँ generally. For example, coaxial cable, parallel cable, and OFC are examples of. Next point. क्या है इसमें? Next point. Catch it? Now we actually go to the receiver, but यहाँ पे आप लिखिए receiver transducer. The receiver transducer. दो लाइनें छोड़ी कैसे आपने? दो लाइनें छोड़ी. चैनल के बाद भी दो लाइनें छोड़ी. ये मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ आपको? There is a reason. So receiver transducer is the same thing. Consider guess. What can be a receiver transducer? मतलब क्या इतना अच्छे इंटेलिजेंस जरूरत की अच्छे विजन जरूरत है इसको एक परसेंट से उसका क्लास में. That's it. From your previous knowledge of previous half an hour, guess. I'm not saying this is the correct answer. I'm telling you to guess. Guess can be 90% wrong. Shabbat. Give it a try. The receiver transducer is. ये बनता. Shabbat. Receiver transducer can be. Now what it will do? Source transducer क्या कर रहा है? Stop please. Source transducer क्या कर रहा है? Source transducer क्या कर रहा है? Excellent, you're right. Now receiver transducer क्या करेगा? अच्छा एक है आपके लिए ये उल्टा काम करता है जो सोर्स ट्रांसड्यूसर उसका उल्टा काम करता है. हम इंग्लिश से हाँ बोलो. You know the right answer then complete the answer. ठीक है मैं क्या बोलूँगी use all your emotions to answer. जरूर तो सही answer. Now you know the right answer. Now use your emotions. Say it again. जो इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल को एक फिजिकल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेगा. And now when for the first time you are loud, just because you need to have this confidence to say the doesn't make it to your marks, isn't it? So what do you wrong answer as well? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? बोलो ना जवाब. अच्छा अगर आपको अपनी इज्जत की पड़ी है एक क्लास में, तो आपकी इज्जत वैसे भी कुछ है ही नहीं. ठीक है ना? You are there, down on the line. Don't think your classmates think about this. Sure. You all are the same level. Hardly a 0.5, 0.1 फर्क तक मार्क. So आप सारे reflect हो. ठीक है ना? From here you have to grow. Subject to condition and you will be fairness in the class. अपनी इज्जत की बात है. इंप्रेशन नोट करना, वीडियो सब क्लास. Time to go in the class. Okay. 10-7. Let's write these 2 points and finish. The receiver transducer, as he rightly said, what's your name? As I rightly said, the receiver transducer will be a device or an equipment that converts electrical signal back to physical signal. Example is key? Loudspeaker, exactly correct. A speaker basically converts the electrical signal into a physical form. Any other example? Your television. You have the visual signals coming into the television and they give you an image. So that again is a kind of a transducer. You won't say this in a Viva, but आपको समझाने के लिए मैं कह रहा हूँ. वो भी इसको समझना transducer. It's a big system. It's not a transducer, really. Just to give an idea. Okay, next point is last one. Destination. Destination is the दो लाइनें छोड़ के receiver transducer के बाद 3 लाइनें छोड़ो. दो नहीं, 3 लाइनें छोड़ो. और last वाला है destination. What can be our destination? But a board just grab or something. Right? Is it? Yeah, right. They have to express possibility. Doesn't matter. So whether the signal might be used to take a destination is our destination, or you will say the intended point where the information has to reach or is to be expressed is your destination. Okay. With that we close today's class. But more importantly, you're left with an assignment. That is, जो ये आपने दो लाइनें छोड़ी, I would like each one of you to take some time of your busy schedule, whether it be in your bus, it be early morning tomorrow, it be late in the evening before going to bed, when you have your cell phone, which you use for half an hour or 45 minutes, with intending to use it for 5 minutes, but you end up using 45. Because this happens for every one of us. We have a lot of time, but we are not able to categorize it properly. Lekin if you are motivated enough, and with this that what has been said will be done. So I believe you will definitely find some time for this. इसमें क्या करना है आपको? मैंने बुक दी आपको रेफरेंस का, या आपने डाउनलोड भी की होगी CR में. Thank you CR for sharing that book itself. Because CR is a thankless job for your recent information. I was also the CR of my batch as well, so I have compassion with all of you, including the CR. I know what this is. So आप उस बुक पे जाके देखिएगा क्या कुछ ऐड हो सकता है इंसान में. इससे क्या होगा? इससे होगा your answer will stand out. ठीक है? Maybe other work can convert him now again. If you write a very good answer, I have no other choice than to give you 10 out of 10. Right? Okay, thank you very much. With that, we will stop and mark the attendance.